We have already covered the first part of this chapter. Now we are going to continue with the second part of this chapter. There is a story of a family. The name of the story is Sarah and Habib. Sarah and Habib live in a city. They both are living in a city, and they both are employed. Sarah works in a school. She teaches in a school, and Habib is a government employee. So he is clerk in a government office. Habib's Appu also live with them. So the family is of these three people. Habib's Abu watches TV with other family members. They watch TV together. Habib's Abu loves to watch TV with other people, and he enjoys playing cards also. The three people family, they enjoy playing cards. So at evening time, they watch TV. Either they watch TV or they play cards. And Abu also loves to have a discussion on some topics. So they enjoy discussions. At the time of holiday occasions, other children from neighborhood family, they come to Habib's house and they create a lot of fun. Everybody enjoys with each other, right? The children come at this place, Habib's place, and whole family and their children, all they make fun, they create fun, and they play a lot of games, and they go out for plays means theaters and movies. They go for such things. Who all are there in this family? Habib, Abu and Sarah are there in this family. Abu enjoys watching television with the others. Why? Because Abu is a retired employee. So he loves to spend time with other people. Also, he loves to watch TV with other people. How do the family members enjoy? At the time of holidays or any occasion when the neighborhood's children come at their place, at Habib's place, so they enjoy by playing cards, by making fun. They go for theaters and they go for movies. Again, next family story. Totaram. Totaram is a boy. He lives with his father, Chacha, and his cousins. He has brothers, and they live all together in Mumbai. They live in a colony in Mumbai. Totaram's mother, Chachi, Dada, Dadi, and all the family, like younger brothers, sisters, they live in village. So Totaram is here in Mumbai for his studies. His other brothers, his cousins also there are studying in Mumbai. So Totaram's father, his uncle and his cousins are there in Mumbai for a purpose. Like his father and his uncle, they work in Mumbai. So they both live with their children, and these children are studying in Mumbai. Everybody in this family, they work. Totaram's Chacha cook food, and Totaram's father does shopping of everything. A part of money which is earned, that is sent to village, where Totaram's Dada Dadi, his mom, his Chachi and his younger brothers and sister, they live at that place at village. So some part of money has sent to village, that is to Dada Dadi's place. This place in village is their parental house. Parental house means all young adults or younger person, children and adults, they live with their parents. That is parental house. Once in a year, Totaram goes to his village house. He misses her mother very much. He writes long letters to his mother. How do Totaram's family members keep contact with each other? They go to village once in a year. Which members of Totaram's family live in the city and which live in the village? Why? From Totaram's family, his father himself, his chacha and his cousins, brothers, they live in Mumbai for their studies, and his father and his chacha, they work in Mumbai, so they live in Mumbai. And his dada dadi, mom, mother and chachi and sisters and brothers, they live in parental house in village. The next story is Krishna and Kaveri. Krishna and Kaveri both are brother sister. They live with their father. In the morning, all three people from family, they leave home. His Kaveri's father goes to shop, Kaveri goes to school, and Krishna goes to college. Krishna leaves Kaveri to school in the morning. Kaveri returns from school in the afternoon, and after returning from school, she unlocks her door on herself. And what she does after coming home, she waits for Krishna. Krishna is Kaveri's elder brother. And after returning, Krishna, when he returns, they both eat together. Kaveri and Krishna eat together. Kaveri goes out to play after doing her schoolwork. When she returns to home, she plays carom or watches television with her brother. When their father returns from shop, they cook food together and they eat together. During vacation time, Kaveri goes to her mom's place. She stays with her mom at that time. Krishna also stays there for some few days, but Krishna doesn't like to stay there because he likes to live at his own home, because Krishna's all things and his father are there in his home. How does Krishna take care of his sister? Every morning Krishna leaves her sister in school. What activities are done together in the family? They cook together and they eat together, and they leave in the morning together. So have you heard stories of many families? Alright, in this chapter we learned many families. There are many types of families. Some are nuclear families, some are joint families, and some are living in some different places. We have completed this chapter, so we will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. One day Kalu wanted to play a trick. One day Kalu wanted to play a trick. कालू जो टेलर था उसको एक ट्रिक करनी थी उस अप्पू पे, हाथी पे कालू को ट्रिक करनी थी.